Looking for a hand mixer that handles everything from chunky cookie dough to delicate whipped cream? The KitchenAid KHM512IC 5-speed hand mixer offers exactly that. 5 adjustable speeds and 2 stainless steel turbo beater accessories designed to give you precise control and consistent results every time. I recently replaced my old mixer halfway through making a pie, and switching to this KitchenAid model was a game changer. I debated getting the 9-speed version, but honestly, the 5 speeds here cover everything I need. From gently folding in nuts or chocolate chips at the slowest speed to whipping egg whites or heavy cream at the highest, this mixer adapts effortlessly to every recipe. One of my favorite recipes to try with this mixer is a Kool-Aid pie I developed myself. It starts by softening cream cheese, then whisking in Kool-Aid powder and sugar until smooth. After mixing in Cool Whip, the filling goes into 2 pie crusts and chills for a couple of hours, though I'll admit, most of us don't wait that long. The mixer makes blending these ingredients completely lump-free and smooth, which really elevates the final dessert. The mixer's 60-watt motor and 36-inch cord length give you the power and reach you need in any kitchen setup. Whether you're preparing mashed potatoes, whipping cream, or mixing batter, this hand mixer makes the process faster and more enjoyable. Plus, the stainless steel beaters are easy to clean and durable enough to last through countless baking sessions. If you're someone who loves experimenting with flavors, this mixer is worth a look. Try swapping out different Kool-Aid flavors or adding garnishes like sugared strawberries to customize your pie. The consistent mixing power ensures every batch turns out just right, no matter the variation. Ready to upgrade your kitchen tools with a reliable hand mixer that covers all your bases? The KitchenAid KHM512IC 5-speed hand mixer offers the perfect balance of power, control, and versatility for home bakers. Try it when you're ready to make mixing easier and more precise. Your recipes will thank you.